Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you dodge buyer's remorse like it's a bad Tinder date. Today, we're diving deep into the world of steam cleaning with two contenders battling it out, the Gorfinti Steam Mop and the NuGo Steam Mop. May the best mop win, and may your floors be ever spotless. First up, let's talk about the price. The Gorfinti Steam Mop comes in at $119, while the NuGo Steam Mop is priced at a budget-friendly $109. Reviewers of the Gorfinti love its ease of use and versatility, making it worth the extra $10 for some. However, others feel that the NuGo offers excellent cleaning at a more reasonable price, making it a better value overall. So is the extra cost of Gorfinti justifiable? Next, let's steam things up a bit and talk about the steam power. Both mops heat up to a sizzling 230 degrees Fahrenheit, which is impressive. The Gorfinti promises to eliminate 99.9% of stubborn stains, and users rave about its powerful steam for cleaning various surfaces. On the other hand, NuGo also gets high marks for its steam capabilities, particularly in tackling tough grime and leaving floors spotless. Both products seem to deliver on their steam promises, but Gorfinti has a slight edge in stain removal effectiveness, according to some reviews. Now, on to versatility. The Gorfinti Steam Mop is a 10-in-1 cleaning machine with attachments for everything from windows to grout lines. Reviewers appreciate its multifunctional capabilities. Meanwhile, NuGo focuses on adjustable steam modes for different floor types, which many users find effective but less versatile overall. It's like Gorfinti is the overachieving student with all the gadgets, while NuGo is the chill friend who gets the job done simply. Which one would you rather have at your cleaning party? Let's move on to the water tank. The Gorfinti has a 300 milliliters tank, while NuGo boasts a larger 15.2 ounces tank, which users appreciate for longer cleaning sessions without frequent refills. Many reviewers of NuGo found that the larger tank allowed for uninterrupted cleaning, while Gorfinti users noted that they had to refill more often. So in this round, NuGo clearly wins. Now, let's talk ease of use. Gorfinti is praised for its lightweight design and 120-degree swivel, making it easy to maneuver. Reviewers often mention how lightweight and intuitive it is to use. NuGo is also lightweight and features an adjustable height, which many users found beneficial. Both mops score high on ease of use, but Gorfinti takes the lead with its flexibility and maneuverability according to user feedback. Overall, both steam mops have garnered positive reviews from users, but they cater to different needs. Gorfinti is celebrated for its versatility and powerful cleaning capabilities, while NuGo is appreciated for its affordability and straightforward cleaning experience. Depending on your cleaning priorities, either could be a great addition to your home. So after all this steam-filled drama, which mop is the winner? If you're all about versatility and accessories, Gorfinti might just take the crown. But if you want a larger water tank and a more straightforward cleaning experience, NuGo could be your new best friend. At the end of the day, whether you choose Gorfinti or NuGo, just remember, a clean floor is a happy floor, and a happy floor means fewer excuses for your kids to eat off it. So make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this battle of the mops, subscribe for more product comparisons, and comment below which steam mop you think deserves the crown. Until next time, keep buying smart and stay clean.